Today I want to talk about a really important and often emotional topic, divorce and your mortgage. Hi, I'm Tammie VanDeusen, your lender from your first home to your last and from the mountains to the mesas. If you're going through divorce, first of all, I just want to say, I see you. This is one of life's toughest transitions, and on top of all the emotional weight, you've now got paperwork, finances, and questions about your home. Who keeps it? Can one person afford it? What happens to the loan? It can feel pretty overwhelming, but here's where I can come in with a little bit of advice and help. I know this is tough. When two people buy a home together, you're tied together not just emotionally, but legally and financially, especially when it comes to the mortgage. And oftentimes it doesn't even mean that there's a divorce. I've seen couples break up. I've seen two friends going to buy a house together, and all of this comes into play. So even if the divorce decree says one person gets the house, the lender doesn't go by that. If both names are on the loan, you both are still responsible in the eyes of the bank. That means if your ex misses a payment, your credit's going to take a hit, even if you no longer live there and even if the judge rules that the mortgage is not your responsibility. So what are you going to do, right? So let's break down a couple of options. Number one person keeps the home and refinances the loan into their name only. This means you or your ex would need to qualify for the home loan based on one income, and we'd have to remove the person from the mortgage and the title. Sometimes you can do this through an assumption. If you've got like a VA loan or an FHA loan, call the lender and find out if you can assume the loan. In most cases, though, we have to do a full-on refinance to remove somebody from the loan. The other option is to sell the home and split the proceeds. If neither person can afford to keep the home or just makes sense to start fresh, selling may be your best option. First of all, talk to your realtor about a market analysis to see how much your home would sell for in this current market. Not an appraisal that you did 5 years ago, this current market. If you don't currently work with a realtor you know and trust, let me refer you to one of my trusted agents. The third and probably my most common option is that we actually do a refinance where you can buy out your ex or your partner's share of the equity it's kind of like a cash out refinance, and then you're not out of pocket for any money at all. Again, you would have to qualify on your own, and at closing, your ex would sign the quitclaim deed. So here's kind of the highlights and some things you need to know. Don't assume the divorce decree handles the loan. It doesn't. You need a refinance, sale, or assumption to officially remove someone from the mortgage. Start early. Ideally, reach out to me before you start the divorce proceedings. We can run the numbers and explore your options. That way you're not scrambling at the last minute. Even if it's just something you're thinking about or talking about, I promise our conversation is confidential and I do not talk to the other party. Protect your credit. Keep making payments on time, even if you're moving out until the mortgage is officially changed. Divorce is hard enough. You shouldn't have to figure out the mortgage part on your own. If this is something you're facing, I'd be honored to walk you through it with clear steps, no judgment, and honest advice that protects your future. In most cases, we're able to find a win-win solution. Just reach out, even if you're sure not what to do yet. Let's talk through your options. I'm Tammie VanDeusen, and I'm here to help you move forward, one baby step at a time.